Alright, we're in the fit, chilling. Andy's sleeping. Got the back empty because we're chilling with the Lexus on Atlantic. Hollering at my boy to mount the welds on. Throw them on the Supra when we get home. Make it. That last install was a bitch, man. I ended up having to drill in the trunk and fit looking good there. Keep the sticker. Little girl Indy. Car life. And we wait. Boom. What you think, Indy? She's still sleeping. Seen her ass pop open, but. What you think, dude?
It's so nice and carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Wow, that's so cool.
You like that?
Yeah.
Look in the back of the Fit. Look in the back of the Daily.
It had nothing.
Open it.
How I open it is so hard. Oh my god. Everybody's driving over there. How do you put the tires in?
I got somebody to do it for me.
Oh.
So I think it's gonna be one in the middle right here.
What is that?
It's the caps.
Caps?
Yeah.
For what?
For the middle. It sits in the middle like that.
Wait, we don't need that for the middle.
Because it looks ugly in the middle. I'll show you. See how this got this in the middle? Yeah, these are in the middle. It's a center cap.
Yeah, but Dad, I want to make Grand Theft Auto. I bring Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, come on.
Later.
Later?
Yeah.
Why?
You gotta do your homework.
Okay.
Do your homework and do a reading test, and you can play Grand Theft Auto.
Okay.
I'm gonna take these off. I'm probably gonna have to adjust the springs up a little bit for the. And he's awake. I'll take these off and I'll. Alright, we done for tonight. I'm still rubbing. Right on these little mud guards. And I go up at an angle, so I gotta go up just a little bit more. Went up like that. Yeah, them shits are 800. They were, well, I'm not getting them anymore, but when I do, they were 800 for both there. Yeah, that's what they were. Yeah, they were like 437 or some shit before taxes. I did the wing today too. You can tell I ain't washed the motherfucker in a long time. I wiped it. I've been wiping it down. Huh? No, yeah. I just now got my flex like as I was installing these today. It came in the mail. It was late. They lost it. They brought my wheels. See, this side seems like it's. See, this side's naturally higher than the other side. Yeah. So like, I went up 11 on this side. I think I need to go up to 12 or 13 on that side.
It just randomly got busy. Like when you got here.
Yeah, I seen that. All right, we finally got our flex fuel kit. My hands are dirty. I've been working on the car all night. We will put this on. Still gotta. With HKS, the adjustable springs are adjustable, just pain in the ass to adjust. So, still gotta maybe go up a few more threads. Like, it looks good. Just rubbing like on the ZL1 rock guards over like an angle. So looks good. Just go up a little bit more. But yep, that was a long night. Peace.